Today we are going to learn how we can derive the algebraic expressions which having variables and their powers on top of that. Let's do the first one, a the power n times a the power m. So there is a multiple sign, so which can be written as a times a so on up to a n factor and a times a so on up to a m factor. So the first one is a the power n, can be written as n factor, and the second one is a the power m, can be written as m factor. So we can combine these two because they are in multiply, so it will be a times a times a times a times a so on up to a, and as there is a multiple sign, so the powers will add n plus m factor, we can write this as. So this is equal to, we can write a the power n plus m. We just need to remember in this one, if there is a multiplication between variables, between two variables, the powers will add. Just remember, easy, multiply, add the powers. Let's do one question related to that. A the power 4 times a the power 5 can be written as a the power 4 plus 5, which is equals to a the power 9, because 4 plus 5 is 9. So this will be the answer. Let's do the another derivation. A the power n divide a the power m. This can be written as a the power n divided by a the power m, and this can also be written as a times a so on up to a n factor divide by a times a so on up to a in the bracket m factor. In this one, this is only possible if n is greater than m. So this can be written as a times a so on up to a in the bracket n minus m factor, because that's divide, so there is a negative sign, which can be written as a the power n minus m. So this is possible if n is greater than m. Let's do one question as well. Just need to remember this thing, division between the two variables, powers will get subtract. So if there is a question, a the power 6 divide a the power 4, this can be written as a the power 6 divided by a the power 4, which is equals to a the power, we can write or expand this as well, a times a, 6 times you need to write a divided by 4 times you need to write a, and you can easily cut the numerator with the denominator, so left over with at the top is 2 times a, which can be written as a square or a the power 2. Now let's do the another one. If it is a the power n divide a the power m, this is equals to a the power n over a the power m, same, but in this one there is a separate case. We can write in the same way a times a n factor divided by a times a so on up to a n factor. In this case, the n is less than m, or we can say that m is greater than n, in either way. So n is less than m, so in this one the equation will be equals to 1 divided by a times a so on up to a m minus n factor, or also this can be equals to 1 over a the power m minus n. We can understand this with one question. So let's assume a the power 4 divide a the power 6. So here we can see that 4 is less than 6. So which can be written as a times a times a times a divided by 6 times you need to write a at the bottom, because a the power 6 in division form. Again, numerator you can easily cut with the denominator. So 4a at the top will cut at the bottom, and left at the bottom is 2a, which can be written as a square or a the power minus 2. So this is the answer for this one.